In my previous video, I did a 1-hour Shopify dropshipping challenge where I created a brand new store from scratch and I tried to make a sale from it within 1 hour. Now I know a lot of you guys love that video and y'all seen results with that video, but everybody doesn't want to do dropshipping. So that's why in this video, I'm about to be doing a 1-hour affiliate marketing challenge where I'm gonna be finding a product, creating a funnel for that product and trying to make a sale within 1 hour. Now, y'all know I'm gonna show y'all the whole process from scratch for the culture. I know I gotta do it for the culture, man. Now, if I don't make a sale within 1 hour, then I also want $100 in my next video. Now, speaking of that, in my last video, I got close, man. I got close. In my dropshipping one, I completed the challenge in 1 hour and 15 minutes. So that means I also want $100. So if that's you on the screen right here, just DM me on Instagram and I got you. But this challenge, man, hopefully we can do it, but we're gonna find out. Let the games begin. Alright, so I'm on my computer right now and I'm on my Clickbank account. Just to start things off, I just want to show you guys the product I'm promoting and everything like that. So as you can see, I did make a sale today, but this is not involving the challenge at all. We just going to disregard this because this is for the free numerology readings and I'm not even going to be promoting that in this video. So we just going to disregard this like I said. But let me go back and show you guys the product that we're going to be promoting before we actually kick this challenge off. So let me go to spirituality. Now I know a lot of you guys don't even know about Clickbank or anything like that. So in order to find like the best products, you can either sort it by rank. So they got it ranked now. So this is the #1 product in the spirituality niche. So you know it's selling. So you don't even gotta like do no extra research or anything like that. If it's #1, you know it's selling, and that's the free numerology readings. But I'm gonna show you guys the product that I'm gonna be selling. So this is the product right here. It's called 15-minute manifestation. The average sell on it is $52.92. Now, as you can see, the gravity on it. Now, for those that don't know what gravity is, it's basically the number of people that actually sold this product successfully in the past couple weeks. So that means if the gravity on this is 83, that means 83 people have sold this product in the last couple weeks. You feel me? So that's all gravity means, and that just gives you an idea of how fast this product is selling and how many people are actually selling this product. So this is the one that we're gonna be promoting in this video. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the time and everything so you know it's legit. So right now, it's currently 10:54 a.m. and it's Thursday, December 3rd. So you know the time I'm starting. I'm gonna create a whole funnel from scratch. I'm gonna do everything from scratch in this video. And one more thing before we start this challenge, 78% of y'all is not subscribed. So I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because nobody else is doing challenges like this on YouTube. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel for the culture. I gotta do it for the culture. If not for me, do it for the culture. But let's go ahead and kick this challenge off, right? So let me go ahead and hit start. Right now we got 1 hour on the clock. So I'm on ClickFunnels. You can get a 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels. And I'm gonna go ahead and build out a funnel from scratch. Even though I already have a funnel, I'm gonna do it from scratch so that y'all can see. So we're just gonna do this. And I'm just name it challenge. One challenge or something. All right, boom. All right, so as you can see on the side, they got a little opt-in and then the thank you page. But we're not even gonna do the opt-in because I'm not gonna be collecting emails. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just type in blank and we just gonna start from scratch. Man, I ain't mean to hit that, but we're gonna hit select template and then we just gonna build out this funnel. Now the funnel, people get stuck on the funnel part, but it's really simple to do. You can create a little funnel in like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm about to show y'all how to do it right now. So as you can see, we're just gonna change the headline. So let me go back to 15-minute manifestation. So this product right here is just a product to help like people rewire their brains and everything like that. So what I'm gonna do is rewire your brain with just 15 minutes a day. Now let me go ahead and capitalize all this so it just looks more legit. Let me add to manifest anything you want. All right, so here's a little headline. Rewire your brain with just 15 minutes a day to manifest anything you want. Now this is just coming off the dome. Of course, you're gonna want to take more time with it and come up with a better headline. but like I said, this is just off the dome. So another thing I want to do is I want to add like a little photo or a video. So I'm gonna add a new element, and then I'm gonna add a video. So I actually have a video for this already. I promoted this product in the past. Now you actually can like steal the same video as me and everything like that, or you can actually download this funnel. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this YouTube video. It's basically like a little review video that I have. Let me go ahead and pull it up real quick. All right, so here's my review video. As you can see, it's only like 1 minute and 17 seconds. And it's basically just people giving like a review on 15-minute manifestation, as you can see. Boom. So y'all see the video. Like I said, y'all could copy the same exact video. I'm just showing you guys the process. Now I'm gonna just paste that right here. Boom. I kind of want to make this a little smaller, so I'm gonna do like 400 times 400, just so that it could be a little smaller. Let me actually save it real quick and name it 15-minute manifestation. Manifest anything you want. Boom. Let me save it, and let me actually preview it real quick. So as you can see, that's how it's looking right now. Let me actually go on mobile because it's mostly going to be on mobile. So this is how it looks on mobile. Now another thing I want to do is add a button. Add a little button. Where's the button? Right here. And let me actually go back to the time real quick. So we at 5 minutes into the challenge so far. Now let me add a button. So for the button, what you want to do is watch full video. You could say that, or you could be like, click here to learn more, or click here to manifest anything you want, something like that. I'm gonna just watch full video here, and then what you need to do is you need to go back to Clickbank, hit promote, and get your affiliate link. So this is how Clickbank is actually going to track and see if you've made any sales or not. So let me actually hit that, copy. Now you could add a tracking link. So let's say you do multiple influencers, right? And you got multiple pages. What you could do is you could add a tracking link, and let's say the page name was Black Hustlers Club. You could add Black Hustlers Club, and then if you do a promotion with them and they add the link in their bio, you can see it came from Black Hustlers Club. So you could do that if you want, but I got my tracking link. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back, and then you need to hit set action, and then here's where you would add your link at, right here. And then I'm gonna actually change the button color. I'm gonna make it a little more lighter. Boom. Make it a little bigger. Boom. And then the headline, let me actually make this a little bit smaller. Bring this to the top. All right, so this is how the page is looking so far. And you know what? Matter of fact, I'm about to make a couple changes because right now it's looking kind of spammy. So I'm about to say this video reveals the shocking truth on how to manifest anything you want. Let me fix that. So boom, this video reveals the shocking truth on how to manifest anything you want. All right, so we got that. Let me go ahead and add a little something to this real quick. All right, so here's my completed landing page. Now it just says attention in red. This video reveals the shocking truth on how to manifest anything you want with just 15 minutes a day. So as you can see, that sounds way better. I just took my time with it. Let me see the timer. We're currently at 10 minutes into the challenge, and it's currently 11:05 a.m. right? So that's took me about 10 minutes to make this little landing page. I added my link to it, I added the video and everything like that. So the landing page is good to go. So now all I need to do is I need to contact a page, and I'm gonna actually promote the product on that page. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send them a photo, I'm gonna send them a caption, and I'm gonna send them my link to the landing page. And then when people come to that landing page, if they click on this button right here that says watch full video, let me actually show you guys real quick. They going boom, watch full video, they gonna get taken straight to this page right here. Now this video right here, the only thing about it is it's about like 30 to 40 minutes long. So hopefully they go through and watch this video and they gotta purchase immediately, because if they don't, then I'm not gonna be able to complete this challenge, man. So y'all pray for me, but I'm about to hit up a page and I'm gonna go ahead and promote it. So I just paid for a promo right now. As you can see, it's 11:10 a.m. and I sent $30 to my sister because I'm gonna be promoting on her page, because I hit her up. She said she got some slots available, so we gonna see. So the promo is officially live on my sister's page. I just went ahead and posted it after I sent her the money. So as you can see, here's the promo right here. It just says, I swear if you react, you will never lack money, don't ignore it. Let me go ahead and like it. Here's the caption. You know, you can screenshot it if you want to. It just says, would you learn how to manifest anything you want? Click the link in my bio to watch a short video. And then here's the link right here. As you can see, here's how it looks on mobile. Looks good, looks clean. Click on it, they get taken to the sales page. So hopefully we actually get a sale. Let me check the timer real quick. So here's the time. We currently have 40 minutes left and it is 11:15 a.m. So hopefully we actually get a sale, because I know it's going to take them a little while to watch the video, because the video is kind of long. So it might be like right on the dot. I might get it right before, or it might be a little bit after. Who knows, man? We're going to see. Oh yeah, one more thing, just to show you guys that I didn't buy traffic before this challenge or anything like that. I'm currently at 13 hops for 15-minute manifestation for today. Where's it at? It's set at today. Let me scroll up real quick. So as you can see, it's set at today, 13 hops for the day, and I currently have 30 minutes to go. So there's no way that I bought traffic before this challenge or anything like that. So we're currently down to our final 8 minutes to go, man. Let me actually go to Clickbank. So as you can see, we at 39 hops right now. Let me refresh it, make sure it's updated. So we actually at 43 hops right now. 43 hops for 15-minute manifestation. We got 8 minutes to go. No sales right now. I don't know. So I'm currently down to my final 4 minutes right now. Let me actually pull it up so y'all can see. Listen, I got a question. Since when do time move this fast? Time never moves this fast. Like, it's just ticking and ticking and ticking. Like, yo, it's not slowing down or nothing. So I don't know. I still ain't get a sale. Let me check real quick. So I'm currently at 47 hops. 47 hops. Still no sales right now. Time is just moving too fast right now. Let me see how much time I got left. 3 minutes and 22 seconds, man. So it's not looking too good right now. I got less than a minute left and still no sales. I got 38 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And all right, so let's look at the results, man. Let's look at the results. So we currently at 48 hops. 48 hops. That don't matter. We don't care about the hops. We care about the sales, and I didn't get any sales. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing that I did in the last challenge, where I'm gonna just see how long it takes me to get a sale. So I could get a sale 5 minutes after, 10 minutes after, 20 minutes after. We're gonna see. I'm gonna hit you guys up when I actually do make a sale. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. I got a sale today, and it is currently 12:38 p.m. So it took me about an hour and like 40 minutes. Let me show you the date too. You see it. But yeah, man, I actually got a sale within about an hour and 40 minutes. Let me go to reporting so you know everything's legit. And let me go to affiliate today. All right, so let me scroll down. Y'all can see I got 64 hops, right? And then I got a sale for 26.31. Let me actually show you guys on my phone too real quick, so y'all know I don't be bullshitting. As you can see, I got it pulled up on my phone. 15 minutes. Let me actually refresh my phone too, so y'all know this is legit. Stop playing with me. 15 minutes. As you can see right there, got the sale. Stop playing with me. And let me actually show you guys the Instagram account. So as you can see, the post on it, it got 866 likes in the hour. So that post is going viral, man. So that's why I actually got the sale. It's actually at almost 900 likes right now. That post is going viral. Let me actually click on the comment so y'all can see everything. You see it. You see it. But yeah, hit up my sister if y'all want some promos. As y'all can see, I got results with it within 2 hours. Yo, so I just wanted to tap in and let you guys know that I did make some more sales. So as you can see, it's currently at 82.86 and it is 3:50 p.m. So it's about 3 to 4 hours later. After the end of like a whole day, I should have over $100. And I just wanted to show y'all like, yo, you can actually make some money doing this. By the end of a whole day, I should have over $100. It wasn't just that one sale. Let me go to affiliates so I can show y'all the hops and everything like that. Just to show y'all, so I got 99 hops so far. I got 3 sales for $78.79. So you can see the little, what is it at? The actually like $4 right here. So that brought it up to 82. But yeah, man, I got 3 sales so far. Yo, as I'm editing this video, I just peeped that we made over $100 in sales, man. We currently at $135 and I spent $30 on the promo. So that's over $100 in profit, easy. You feel me? As you can see, it's 5:25. Let me refresh the page real quick so you know everything is legit. Once again, stop playing with me. I really do this for the culture. So that just goes to show y'all that y'all can make money doing affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and all of this. I showed you guys the process from scratch. I didn't leave anything out. I showed you guys the exact product, the exact funnel, and the exact page I went to, man. I showed you guys the whole process. So there's really no excuses, man. You could do the same exact thing. Of course, if you go to the same exact page and you do the same exact photo and everything like that, you might not get the same results I got. So you might want to switch things up a little bit. And you can also do this with multiple different niches, multiple different products and everything like that. Just put your own twist on things, but that's basically the whole entire process right there. But as you see, I made a sale within about 1 hour and 40 minutes, but I didn't get it in under an hour. I kind of expected that though, just because the video length is about 40 minutes or so. So I kind of expected it to go over an hour, but I'm gonna be a man of my word and I'm gonna give someone $100 in my next video. So all you gotta do to enter that giveaway is to drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for the culture. Hey, let me take my bow. I ain't take my bow yet. I did my thing with this challenge as well. But other than that, man, I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.